All right, we have our 360 brushes here, if you guys can see it. So both directional. The metal piece blocked by a couple of bristles from the back, so you're not going to be any contact into any concrete or any of the tiles that you guys have. Now this is a universal one that you can pretty much put on any pole. We have an existing pole. Even if you have a slide, you could scrub it from there. You could go into the actual waterfall and start scrubbing where the algae build up, and you could keep it going on every single corner. And this is a perfect way to actually use these kind of brushes for. So we're gonna set up, and the cracks. So yeah, hitting every single crack, every corner of the with your brushes. This is perfect for that. And if you have a baja like here, these steps that go down here and go into the actual corner. And these are where everything meets right there. You're gonna need a lot of brushing right there. So this is a perfect way to actually hit it. If your machine can't go up here, if you have a water machine, a robotic machine, they don't normally clean this place. This is a manual thing that you're gonna have to do with your brush, all right? So let's go ahead and do that. All right, let me show you guys the other brittle that we were using before. Look at this one. It wasn't getting all the corners. This is the before and this is the afterwards. You guys can see the difference between, look at the bristles on this one. They're a little smaller to compare it, and you can rotate it either way, but you can't do this one. You can't rotate these. These are not 360, if you guys can see it compared to it. So if you guys can see all the damage that we have caused on the brush because you hit corners and stuff like that, the same damage you hit on here, it's what we prevent on these brushes right here. So you can see the scratches in the actual plastic picking up from these corners, because we mostly hit some of the corners that you're not capable of reaching. And look at the flip side. Easy. Either way you can scrub it. You can't do this on these old bristles like that, you know, compared to that one. So